Hi everyone, today we're going to be cooking banga soup. I'm going to be using goat meat for this, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of hard chicken as well. I'm adding onions and one stock cube, salt, and I'm going to be cooking this together in its own juice for 5 minutes. See, it has been cooking now for 5 minutes. I just added shaki and stockfish and water. I'm still going to be cooking it for another 5 minutes. And as that is busy, I'm going to be blending my peppers, crayfish, and onions. My meat has been cooking now for 10 minutes. I just poured in my pepper mix. Meat is still very tough, it's still very hard. Adding my banga to it, and I'm using 2 large cans of banga. You can use fresh banga if you have access to fresh banga. You can as well cook your banga apart and boil your meat apart and later add it together, but I just want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. I just added my dry prawns and my grilled fish. This fish I grilled myself, and I'm using mackerel. Just put it all together. Adding banga stick and banga spice. And I didn't add any more stock cube to this soup, and I didn't add any more salt to it. See, it's cooking now for 10 minutes. See, it's foaming. You have to be careful when you're cooking banga soup so that your soup don't foam out. Don't cover your pot completely. So my banga soup has been cooking now for 20 minutes. It's almost ready. So I'm going to be making my starch because I'm going to be enjoying it with starch. So I just dilute the starch, mixed it in water, and I added palm oil to it. So this time, before you off the fire, if you want to add vegetable to your banga, this is the time you can just add veggie to it. You can add scent leaf, you can as well add green vegetable to it. Banga soup is ready now. I'm going to scoop out some oil because it has a lot of oil on it. Scoop out some oil. This oil I can still use it for something else, to cook something else. If you like a lot of oil in your banga soup, you don't have to do this. So now we're gonna start to work. My soup is ready, and I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. You can eat your banga soup with any swallow of your choice, but today I want to enjoy it with starch. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and stay blessed. Bye.